What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel, and today we're gonna be making this easy chicken and dumplings. Stay tuned. Alright, first thing you're gonna need to do, you gotta get you a rotisserie chicken. If you don't have a rotisserie chicken, either get some chicken breasts or some chicken thighs. You want to put that in a pot. Go ahead and get you your chicken broth, pour that on top. You want to let this simmer. Also, go ahead and get your vegetables. I got some carrots and some celery. We're going to chop that up, throw that in there. Got a little bit of seasoning, just salt, pepper, garlic. Also, going to throw some minced onion up in that bad boy. Got 2 bay leaves you want to toss up in there. Also, a little bit of garlic powder. And we're going to put some of that garlic paste in there. Mix all that up in there. Then we're going to go ahead and get better than bouillon. If you don't have this, just put some bouillon cubes up in there. We got half a stick of butter we're going to throw in there. Take your chicken out. We're going to shred it. We're going to pour it back up in there. Let that simmer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's getting good now. Now for your dumplings, I got these straight from the freezer at the grocery store. These things are already made, flat dumplings. Thank you, Miss Ann's. Go ahead and pour those bad boys up in there. I poured the whole box. So you want to let this simmer for probably about 30-35 minutes till it start to thicken. Look at all them seasonings. And bam, check that out right there. Super easy chicken and dumplings. Man, they don't get no better than this. Look at that right there. Man, when I tell you these things are slamming, man, they slamming. But once again, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. My name is Trey. This is Master Blends. It's time to eat.